while we're down here on this end, I thought I'd come in and just show something that we did just the other day. Matter of fact, the ladder's still in here from where we worked on it. If you look up here to the ceiling, this little bit of ceiling track that runs around the outside edge here, the ceiling company, when they installed it, forgot to put the wall angle on, so the tile just ran straight to the wall. We came in and installed the extra pieces there to finish that corner up. As you can see here, this is kind of an example of what the other room was supposed to look like, and they came in and dropped the ceiling down, and that's when we blacked the windows out. Let's take a walk over to the gymnasium. Actually, I could show you something that we did the other day too that's not fresh on my mind. This electrical outlet here had been cut too big, and actually you can hardly tell that we patched it. That's such a good job we did on that one there. They actually cut it about 4 inches too big, and we came in and cut a small piece of stone to put in there in the bottom and matched it up perfectly. You can't even hardly tell that a patch was done there. Take a walk around here to the gymnasium. Yeah. The base was done by another company. We do offer that service as well as doors and hardware. One thing we did in here was, I don't know if you can tell up there at the top, insulation up there along the I-beam was done by us. It had to be done because it didn't look right after they painted it, and the space needed to be filled. These panels on the walls were mounted by us, and on the ceiling as well. We installed the windows when they were building the walls. Think of a couple more things we did while I'm in here in the gym. You can't see because they're hidden behind the panels, but these original return air vents inside the gym were up too high, and we cut those and moved those down to the correct locations. Here's another good example of some stuff we do. The floor here, when the slab was originally poured, they needed the location for the volleyball net poles. We installed these sleeves in the floor before they came in and put the gym floor in. So we cored the floor and poured those to install those. So they got sleeve for the volleyball net. Let's see. Let's take a look in here. The VCT on the floor was done by another company, and we do offer that service as well. We can do VCT tile. We can do residential linoleum installation. These windows were done by us as well. Any steel window and any steel door frame was installed by my company. Here's an example of some stuff we did just not too long ago. This door frame was originally too big for the opening. We had to come back in and cut the block out. Matter of fact, you can probably see it better from the front side. You can tell what a tight fit it was. We came in and cut that back. Matter of fact, you can see it's still dusty from where we worked on it. Of course, again, blocking and all that stuff. We did all that stuff while the walls were coming up for cabinets. We've done caulking on the cabinets. Majority of the stuff we're working on right now for this project is we're just wrapping it up, just doing punch lists. They got other companies out here doing special systems and all that type of stuff, and we do offer that service as well. Mainly just the installation. Other companies do testing and delivering. Here you go, Laura. You want to just get it in there? We'll wrap it up. That's pretty much it. There isn't very much that we don't offer as far as services. We do management as well, not just the skilled labor. We provide material handling. We provide labor control. We do a lot of things as far as planning, control lines. There isn't very much that my company doesn't provide as far as construction solutions. If you've got a problem on your job site and it's got to be done today, we can do it today, and we'll make sure it gets done right the first time. This is when I spoke to John, he said he wasn't quite sure exactly what the project had originally been bid at, but his guess was the general contractor did it between $15 and $20 million. So this is a $15 to $20 million project that my company was on, and we'll get with the GC here in a little while and get his input on the quality of our work out here and whether he liked it or not. That way you can see for yourselves that RDE Construction Solutions is the company that you need on your team to get your project done. Thank you. Alright, the GC finally showed up. Let's go have a word with him, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. So let's walk this way, Lo. Roger Cornelison with Durotech. Good morning, sir. How you doing this morning?
It's fine, thank you.
And just came in to get with you real quick to make sure it was all right to walk around on your site. And
yes, it is.
Take a couple pictures. Just want to get your word to see if you were satisfied with my work.
Yes, I have been. You've been very diligent, and you've taken care of the things I've asked you to do, and you've gone out of your way to find other things that you ask me questions about to see if they need to be done or not. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem, sir. All right, well, I know you're a busy man, so I'll let you get back to your work. I want to thank you for letting us come out here and take the time to take a look at your site.
No problem. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you doing this. I appreciate your work.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.